This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Make sure the monitor supports HDMI or USB-C video input. Next, connect your Android TV device. Set the HDMI cable firmly into the monitor and the device. If using USB-C, enable alternate mode on the host device. Otherwise, use an HDMI adapter. Once done, power both units and set the monitor to the correct input. You do this to ensure signal lock and to avoid display resolution mismatches, like 1080p versus 4K early in the process. You now configure display and audio settings to match the monitor. Open Settings, go to Display, and select the native resolution. This prevents scaling artifacts. Then, adjust refresh rate and disable overscan so edges are accurate. For audio, choose HDMI audio out unless you're routing sound to external speakers. Make sure ARC is enabled when using compatible monitors. If apps appear cropped, revisit overscan and resolution. These steps reduce latency and visual distortion, and they ensure apps and menus render crisply on a non-TV monitor. You finish by updating the Android TV firmware and apps to get the latest drivers and performance fixes. Next, enable features like game mode to minimize input lag. Also check color profile and night mode if needed. Finally, perform a quick verification. Play video, test audio, and try casting. If something goes wrong, power cycle both devices, swap the HDMI cable, and inspect EDID or HDCP errors. These often cause blank screens. This final pass secures stability and gives you a reliable monitor-based Android TV experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.